This is the Resistor Color Code Calculator, which converts color band combinations into resistance values. The calculator has 4 drop-down menus for entering resistor color bands. The first drop-down is labeled First Band, First Digit, with color options from black representing 0 through white representing 9. For this example, I'll select red, which represents 2. The second drop-down is Second Band, Second Digit, with the same color options black through white. I'll choose yellow, which is 4. The third drop-down is Third Band, Multiplier, with colors representing multiplication factors from black at times 1 through violet at times 10 million, plus gold for times 0.1 and silver for times 0.01. I'll select orange, which multiplies by 1K. The fourth drop-down is Fourth Band, Tolerance, offering brown for plus or minus 1%, red for 2%, gold for 5%, silver for 10%, and no band for 20% tolerance. I'll choose gold. After clicking Calculate Resistance, the calculator displays the total resistance value by combining the first 2 digits with the multiplier and shows the tolerance range based on the fourth band selection. Find the link in the description below.